Kita tengok. Buka ni. Tak tahu nampak. Item ada ID ni, ada pasal bunyi kan. Oh, ada latihan. Surat 12. Kat sini ada prawn listening activities. Lepas tu kan, aku boleh tick lah kat situ. Lepas tu dia ada audio track and script. Kau bayangkan, nampak ke? Ni sisi ni, sini tebal juga kan, tapi tak apalah, kita try buat sela-sela. Dah tahu satu orang nanti habiskan sebelum daftar murid betul-betul. Ni ada skema jawapan ke? Okay. Lepas tu dia ada bagi apa, kalau aku tak dekatkan diri, aku dengar je ke? Aku tak tahu aku dengar tak. Tapi dia ada example of a complete listening. Maksudnya contoh lengkap kertas listening lah, kertas mendengar. Yang dia ada jawapan lah kat sini. Buku ni kan RM34.65. Korang boleh dapatkan di TikTok. Sekejap, sikit banyak. Lepas tu kat sini ada paper 2 untuk speaking lah. Tak sabarnya speaking. Terus kat sini kan dia ada quotes. Whatever you think you can or think you cannot, you are right. Apa pun yang awak fikir awak boleh atau tidak boleh, awak yang betul. So kita kena kita sendiri penentu ni kan. Terus kat sini ada tip. You may have to enter a friendly debate if your words cannot be persuaded easily. This may mean compromising on your viewpoint or intending to all candidates should be given an equal chance to share their viewpoint. Sometimes this warrants the rejection from the candidate. Presentation. Kat sini pun dia ada ruangan untuk kau tuliskan jawapan tau, bagi speaking 2 ni. Kita dah masuk tajuk reading ya guys. Sama juga ada apa nama dia? Dah banyak sangat Sekejap pun apa ni dah ada tu? Ni banyak juga ni. Reading 70 minit je tak sampai 1 jam pun. 70 minit 40 soalan 10 teks. Kepala kotak je tapi tak apa. Kita dah beli buku, kita dah praktis. Selebihnya kita serah pada Allah kan. Kita berdoa apa. Lepas tu dia ada bagi juga sama je macam example of a reading text. Read an article on music. Submission 1 to 7 based on the article. Lepas tu dia ada bagi jawapan kat situ. Tak sama tengok apa reading apa lepas reading kita ada writing, menulis. Paper 4 tau. Sama juga ada 70 minit. Part of the paper, task 1, write a letter or an email of at least 100 words based on the stimulus given. Task 2, write an essay, discursive, argumentative or problem solution of at least 200 simple words based on the stimulus given. When something can be read without effort, when effort has gone into its writing. Nikhil Jardel Ponkela. The specifications. Ada interesting facts. Body background knowledge helps prepare learners of English for learning in an academic setting. Work and life in general. Lepas tu kat sini kan dia ada task 1 guided writing 30 minit. Kat sini dia ada sediakan QR untuk video lah, how to tackle email writing. So boleh tengok kat situ. Dia ada step by step guide. Step 1 macam mana analyse the email. Step 2 apa? Identify the parts. Step 3, plan your reply. Step 4, write out the reply. Step 5, check your work. Planning your response. Ni di sini dia stimulus. Kalau aku nak tahu lebih lanjut beli lah. Sebab takut benda ni hak cipta terpelihara. So tak boleh cakap lebih-lebih kan. Boleh cerita guna bahasa diri kita je. Kalau aku cerita semua rugi lah orang buat buku ni kan. Aku dengar cakap-cakap tak beli buku dia kan. From Irfan. Nama adik aku nak. Ada kat buku Ha. Lepas tu responding to the notes. Look at the first note provided. Yes. How are you? I heard from Alice that you are doing well with both your studies and part-time job. Is that true? Yes, macam tu kan. Kan boleh jawab macam tu. They not just responded information about the but their heart hurt. Heart hurt. Heart and this about my age doing well with his studies and part-time job. Is true. When some to celebrate this and the sentence respond to the first sentence. Example, I'm doing good. It's great to hear from you. And it's right. I'm sure you studies part-time work. Why? Because I have learned to manage my time efficiently. It's in fact an achievement for me. It's not easy to strike a balance. Like the second not given decision. Information that its income has been affected by this company's downsizing and restructuring. His salary has been reduced by 30%. Therefore, I'm thinking about working part-time in order to ease his financial burden. Decision. Dia lagi perkataan kat bawah tu. Lepas tu ni useful expression. To greet macam mana dia dah ajar. Hi, contoh. To greet hi. Lepas tu ada lagi 4 perkataan. Yes sir. Dear medium. Macam tu. To start an email or a letter. How have you been? How are you? How are you getting on? It is great to hear from you. To express appreciation. I really appreciate. I'm so grateful that. Thank you so much for apa je dah kan? To apologize. I would like to apologize for. Please accept my apologies for. I'm so sorry for. I'm sorry. Macam tu. To respond to good news, I am delighted to hear that. I am so glad that. I am very happy to hear about. That's great. Awesome. To respond to dia cakap to respond to bad news. Benda. I am sorry to hear about. I'm so glad. To respond to bad news. I am sorry to hear about. I am so sorry to hear that. It is sad that. To state a preference. I prefer. Contoh cortex. To me. Contoh kan. I definitely prefer. I would rather to agree. I agree with you there. Yes, I agree. You have a point. To disagree. I disagree. I am afraid I disagree. I have to disagree with that. To express like. I like. I enjoy. I am fond of. I think that it's great. Express dislike. I dislike. I really like. I'm not keen on or fond of to accept an invitation or offer. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you. I would love to. I would be delighted to. Thank you for your offer. Yang talks good. Thank you for your offer. Thank you for your offer. Dah hafal lah. To decline an invitation or offer. I would very much like to, but I would love to, but I am afraid. I'm so sorry. I don't think I can. I am terribly sorry. I will not be able to because I not shower, not yet shower. To make a request, I would like to request. I was wondering if you could blah 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 kan. Ada dekat sini, aku boleh tengok sekarang. Dia ada tips juga. The computer request come before the destination. Okay, antas one respond. Jangan buka-buka sangat. Risau gitu lah. Berbeli tu lah. Sempat buat latihan ada satu huruf pun. Writing. Nak tengok apa benda yang mana kabur tu tu. Adakah ada skema jawapan? Alhamdulillah. Kat sini guys, ada model test 1. Paper 1 listening 800 per 1, 50 minutes. Part 1. Listen to conversation between Noraini and her friend. So Raini, as you listen, choose the correct answer for questions 1 to 7. Circle the correct answers. Kat sini dia ada bagi audio, track and script bunyi QR code. Lepas tu model test bla 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 semua ada kat sini. Model test 1. Model test 2 pun ada no. Lepas tu model test 2. Lepas tu kat sini dia ada bagi answers. Semua baloi tak berbaloi. Dia bagi answers, jawapan dia. So kau jawab, kau nak check. Jawapan aku ni betul ke tak kat sini ada lah. Cek jawapan dia dekat bahagian belakang sekali. Surat 379 sampai muka surat 436. Mood. So dah dia bagi satu helai kosong. Satu helai kertas kosong. So dia ada bagi QR. Scan this QR code to access the following resources of the threads for the listening component. Additional resources, additional practice dan macam-macam lah. So kat sini adalah 5th edition. Into this edition, dia kata update content based on the latest examination requirements. Clone creation based on past papers. Ni dah bagus guys. Tak cari aku tanya AI. Based on the latest post-secondary English language curriculum framework. Sekejap kita check dia punya tahun terbit ke apa. Sekejap dia kata first published 2026 tahun ini nak fresh lagi. Kalau aku tak beli yang ambil muat tu yang diploma tu, apa lagi beli lah sekali. Kita buat sama-sama ke kan. Aku buat YouTube, aku share aku dah buat yang mana. Kalau susah ke nanti aku boleh rujuk kau. Kan. Jadi apa itulah daripada saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.